Hi, in this video I will show you how to use guides in Inkscape. It is a really important thing if you want to correctly arrange objects in Inkscape. Okay, so first I recommend you to check one option. So we need to go to View and select here Guides. So I click on this option. It will show you the guides if they are included in Inkscape project. Okay, so how you can create a new guides here. First you need to do is move your cursor to the upper side to the ruler. And now we need to hold left mouse button, and now we need to go down, and our guide has been successfully created here. But it's not the end, because we have a lot of really helpful settings about guides. I recommend you to double click on this guide, and for example you can type here the label name. So I will type here new one. Of course you can change the color of this guide. For example, I will choose here green. I click select. You can change position of this guide or lock it. So for example, I will click OK. And like you see, our guide have name here. The other really helpful thing that you can do with guide is rotating the guide. You can do it by clicking on it. And after that you need to press and hold shift. And now we can easily rotate the guide. So now I will show you a simple use case of guides. So I will add here one guide here and another one here. So now, like you see, we have here a perfect triangle that we can draw. So I go to pen tool and I will draw here a triangle, yeah? So I click here and here, here and here. And like you see, our object has been successfully created here. Of course, we can change the fill of this object by going to Object and Fill and Stroke. If we will change the stroke style to 0, you will see the perfect triangle here. So I paste here 0 and click enter. And like you see, it really works. So it was a really helpful use case of guides in Inkscape. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. It really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my tutorials.